Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method from Wix. Whether you're switching to a different payment provider or simply cleaning up your account settings, knowing how to disconnect payment methods properly is essential for managing your Wix site effectively. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Settings. This is your central hub for all account configurations and site-wide preferences. From the Settings page, you'll need to locate the Accept Payments section. This area controls all the payment gateways and methods you've set up for your online store or booking system. Go ahead and click on it to access your payment configurations. Once you're in the Accept Payments section, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the payment methods you've configured and added to your Wix account. This might include options like PayPal, Stripe, credit card processors, or other third-party payment gateways you've integrated. Take a moment to review which payment method you want to remove. Now, locate the Manage link next to the payment method you wish to disconnect and click on it. This will direct you to the Payment Method Management page, where you have full control over that specific gateway's settings and connection status. From here, the process is straightforward. Simply scroll to the very bottom of this page, where you'll find the Disconnect option. Click on Disconnect to remove this payment method from your Wix account. The system may ask you to confirm this action since disconnecting a payment method can affect how customers complete transactions on your site. So, make sure you have an alternative payment option enabled if you're running an active store. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the payment method from your Wix account, giving you a cleaner setup and ensuring only the payment options you actually use remain active. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.